Hello students, today we are going to discuss the sixth numerical of indeterminacy of trusses. Question is written as, find the kinematic indeterminacy of the structure shown in the screen or shown in the figure. Now we need to find here what? The total kinematic indeterminacy of this structure. We know that in case of truss, each joint will be subjected to two possible movements, that is horizontal displacement and vertical displacement. So we just write the value 2 at each and every joint, and we also know that at hinge support there will be 0 degree of freedom and at roller support there will be 1 degree of freedom. Now after adding all this value, we will get the total kinematic indeterminacy equals to 11, which is the final answer of this question. We had determined the kinematic indeterminacy of this structure equals to 11. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.